Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Do some bar chord things and stuff. I don't know how we made out with the old time rock and roll. I didn't get any bad comments about it or anything like that, so hopefully that went well. All right, with the G bar, we can see this now. The C with the one finger, C, D with the third finger, all right? And we remember that it was 2 bars each. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 bars each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And it just keeps going. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, you know, to pull the chords up in the on the link below, where it'll give you like the lyrics and where the chord changes appear and stuff. That way, you know, you need to do a little work and make sure that, you know, you're doing it correctly. And as always, questions, comments below, please. All right. What I'd like you to do also is we're going to do this: the C, F, and G. See what we're doing here? C. The C chord up. I don't believe I need to put the pictures up. All right, you could go back to the, you know, 1 or 2 videos where this chord form appeared. All right, and again, 8 beats each chord. What this is, what we're trying to do, is to get you that you can play in some different keys. So like if you're doing like da 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 ba. Same thing you could do up here. It'd be D. This I believe we did D, G, and A. Up here you have E, A, B. So what we're doing is giving you this the chord progression, so it's movable. Plus we're sort of lingering, I know, a little bit on some of the same songs, but it's important to play it through you know, a couple of keys. We need to build the strength up in the hand before we move on. All right? Very important. I don't care how slow you play the tune, as long as you're making a nice clean change and you're staying in time. Very, very important. Don't worry about the true tempo of the tune. You know, where da 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 da. That's going to come if you do it slow first and you nail it down while it's slow. The speed comes. All right. So now, very important, metronome. Okay, we have it up around 88, and again, we're counting in eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you could count it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and just play on the number. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Now, if you picked up on it, you need to be playing the chord 8 times each chord. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 2, chord change. That's most important. All right, that's pretty much all we're going to do unless the what happens is another thing is for those that want to get a little bit you know, you want to stand on the edge of the cliff. Remember this form with the D chord? You could take the D chord here, 8 beats, again, same song, bar G, bar A, and then come back and form the D. Alright? A lot harder to do, but it's really, really good practice. Let's just do a little short run through on it. And again, the same tune. I mentioned this before, the thumb, try to use the thumb more like a guide, you know, just a little bit of pressure, not much, very little. Okay, so if you feel adventurous, try that form. Okay, any questions on this, please, you know, in the comments below. All right, if you like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe. We've got more stuff out there. We're going to be doing a lot more playing, and there'll be some other tunes coming along, and we're going to just sort of work this bar chord stuff out little by little. Again, as I always say with this, it's not something you're going to learn in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's going to take time. Slow tempo, very important. Make sure you keep the chord change even. And I know you know what I mean by that. If there's anything confusing, again, on the comments. Thank you very much, and I will catch you the next time, all right? Have a nice day.